How to put TikTok in your hidden apps. So iPhones have a really good feature of being able to hide apps in the phone itself. So what we could do is go ahead and find your TikTok app and click and hold it. And once you do that, you're going to have some options here, and you're going to see where it says require Face ID. So go ahead and click that. You have two options here. You can require Face ID just to open up the app, or you can hide the app as well. So we're going to go ahead and hit hide and require Face ID. Go ahead and log in with your Face ID, and this is going to show you what's going to happen. Go ahead and hide app. So now, as you saw, my app disappears, and so it's nowhere on your phone to the naked eye. So what you want to do is, if you want to go find the TikTok app, is you're going to have to swipe all the way over until you get to your app library, scroll all the way down, and you're going to have this section here called hidden, and that is where the TikTok app is. And also any app that you want to hide, it will be here. So all you have to do is click hidden. It will ask for your Face ID, and then you'll be able to find your TikTok app there. And then click and hold, and you can hit don't require Face ID. And then that way it's back in your usual spot, and you'll be able to use your TikTok app just like normal. But that's it.